Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable access to your camera on your Windows 11 computer for different applications that you may not want anything to access your camera. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, and without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click on the Windows Start button and select Settings. You want to go ahead and select Privacy and Security on the left side. And now on the right side, you want to go ahead and locate camera and go ahead and left click on that. And if you just want to turn off camera access for everything, you can just toggle that to the off position. Otherwise, set it for certain apps. You can keep it on and then just select which applications you want to allow access to it. So pretty straightforward process here, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.